Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best IKEA kitchen cabinets that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Winsome Wood Single Drawer Kitchen Cabinet. Do you prefer a highly portable kitchen cabinet? If yes, it cannot get any better than this. It can work as a storage cart and a kitchen cabinet. The wooden construction makes it highly durable with dimensions of 26.9 inches by 18.2 inches by 34.3. The side rail along with the utensil drawer, 2 large cabinets, and shelves ensure that the storage space is on the higher side. Moreover, with minimal assembling required, it is easy to use. The wheels allow you to move it around quickly and safely. You get a towel rail as well. Inside the cabinet, there is a shelf. The multi-purpose design is the reason why it is on top of our list. Moving on at number 4, we have Hodida LongStanding Kitchen Cabinet. The dimensions of this kitchen cabinet are 15.75 x 23.85 x 70.86. You get to choose between 4 different color options. The 2 transparent doors on top allow you to monitor the contents inside. Additionally, there is space for the microwave as well. There is a drawer and also a cabinet at the bottom. With ample storage space on offer, the amount of things you can store is on the higher side. The assembling is easy as well. At the same time, the cabinet at the bottom consists of shelves. You can store a lot of things there. The USP is an efficient and standalone design. If you're looking for an efficiently designed kitchen cabinet, this one will not disappoint you. At number 3, we have Home Roots Kitchen Storage Cabinet. The engineered wood construction of this storage cabinet stands out. The construction is such that it can handle scratches, heat, as well as stains. With the help of 4-door closed storage space, the amount of storage space that you get is excellent. There are 3 drawers along with open storage space available. The dimensions are 15.3 by 35 inches by 66.1. The laminated design certainly helps it stand out. The durability of this kitchen storage cabinet and multiple storage options gives you no reason to complain. At number 2, we have Walker Edison Furniture Company Modern Sideboard Kitchen Dining Storage Cabinet. With 4 different color options, you have some choice when going with this kitchen cabinet. The MDF construction and metal hardware make it durable. The sliding door design means that you can cover either of the sides. You get adjustable shelves and open and closed storage. Also, the design is such that you can use the upper shelf as a TV stand or a storage console. It is perfect for buffets as well. The dimensions of 32 inches by 16 inches by 32 inches makes it quite compact as well. If you're looking for a rustic kitchen cabinet, this one is sure to grab your attention. And finally at number 1, Homecom 71 inches Modern Freestanding Kitchen Cabinet. The sleek design of this kitchen cabinet ensures that you can amalgamate into any modern kitchen decor. You get 7 closing cabinets, a drawer, and an open countertop shelf. The advantage of so much storage space is that you can use it for appliances, cutlery, and other things. The 2 large cabinets and the 1 small cabinet available allows you to adjust the shelves. The engineered wood construction increases the durability quite easily. You can clean it with a damp cloth, which ensures that the maintenance is not going to be an issue. When you look at all these features, it is easy to understand why this kitchen cabinet is such an excellent choice. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.